This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Cathy Kreter. 100 acres of woods and wetlands in a private setting, featuring public utilities, 1+ acre lots nestled along gently curving streets and rolling contours of the neighborhood. This community offers serenity of country living with cosmopolitan convenience and conveniently located just minutes from I-94, shopping, walking trails and Lakeview High School. Phase 1 of the development contains 20 lots, new construction is currently underway. Call Cathy Kreter at Jaqua Realtors 269-317-7735 for more information, review the details below.